Adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, can be used for energy for living things through the breakdown of triphosphate to ADP. This process is exergonic, most lost in heat. ATP is hydrolyzed and it is broken down. It's a catabolic pathway complex is broken down. Can be used for coupling so extra can drive under inside of respiration to obtain energy. Then onto glycolysis, glucose converts to pyruvate. First phase 2 invests to ATP to alter glucose. G3P is the product of the investment phase, is used in the payoff phase to synthesize pyruvate. Paid off to ATP and made a total of 4 means a net to ATP through sub-level pH. Then we oxidate pyruvate to get acetyl-CoA, enter a mitochondrion to initiate the process, then take out CO2, then NAD becomes NADH, hydroxyethyl oxidized to form N-acetyl, then coenzyme and A binds via thioester, and then after that acetyl-CoA is made. Acetyl-CoA is used for TCA, and in mixed reactants for E-trans chains happens inside of the matrix intermembrane. Acetyl-CoA transformed 8 different ways. The redox reaction's chemical energy is stored inside NADH and FADH2. And also ATP is stored in this triphosphate, but NAD and FAD get used for the electron transport chain. Yeah, and then onto the electron transport chain, it oxidates, phosphorylates, where most of it is made. Around 26 to 27 ATP is made. In oxidative phosphorylation, most of ATP is made. In the electron transport chain, a proton gradient is made, NADH and FAD2, which carry electrons to the chain. Passes many protein complexes and each time takes out an H as they go through the synthase, where C osmosis is the game. Where ATP is made through a proton motive force. As they diffuse, they go and move ATP synthases motors. And as F1 goes and moves as a phosphate to ADP, it's 26 or 28 things of ATP just made. We start off with the glucose, then it splits, with energy invested for G3P, then at the payoff phase, pyruvate made, then in the intermediate phase, it's oxidized. Pyruvate oxidized makes acetyl coenzyme A, then the citric acid cycle where electron carriers are made. Oxphosphorylation first out E-transport chain. Once this makes a gradient, ATP on its way.